Using test features on VISTA-P series panels can reduce truck rolls after a system is installed. Testing the VISTA-P series panels ensures you are delivering a fully functional and reliable system to the customer. It helps you catch wiring issues, programming errors, or hardware failures before they become service calls, saving you time, reducing callbacks, and reinforcing your reputation for quality and professional installs. Hi, I'm Craig with Resideo. Today, I'm going to cover the test functions you should perform after every installation. The first one is the Go No Go test, which is a diagnostic feature used during installation or maintenance to verify the system's wireless zones are properly communicating with the control panel. It helps determine good mounting locations for both wireless transmitters and receivers by making sure the RF transmitters have sufficient signal amplitude margin for the installed system. To enter Go No Go test mode, the panel must be ready, which means faulted zones must be bypassed, and the panel cannot be sending any signals to the central station. To put the panel in this test mode, enter your installer code #4. Once in this mode, the receiver is at half strength. Each transmitter should be tripped and restored 10 times to ensure each fault and restore is received. The keypad beeps and displays the zone number for each faulted zone. If some signals are missed, reorientation may be needed to prevent supervision signals from being missed later. To exit this test mode, enter the installer code, then 1. The next test is called a walk test, which is like Go No Go, but is primarily used to test motion detectors. It also works for hardwired zones, tests the battery backup, and tests the bell output. The system must be ready to arm. To start the walk test, enter the installer code 50. The bell should sound for 1 second and send a contact ID message of E607 if reporting is enabled for tests in *64. If the battery is discharged or missing, a low battery report is sent to the central station along with the test report. Walk test mode allows each protection point to be checked for proper operation. The keypad beeps 3 times with every fault, and the zone number appears on the keypad. The keypad beeps once every 40 seconds to remind you that you are in the walk test mode. If zones are not faulted, the keypad displays Test in Progress. To exit walk test mode, enter the installer or master code and 1. Walk test mode automatically ends after 4 hours. Transmitter ID Sniffer Mode enables you to test all wireless devices to ensure they're properly programmed. If there's a touchscreen keypad on the alarm system, it displays all zone numbers of all wireless devices programmed into the system. To start Sniffer Mode, enter the installer code #3. The system must be ready to arm. Fault each transmitter in turn so each one sends a signal. As the system receives a signal from each transmitter, the zone number of the transmitter disappears from the display. To exit this test mode, enter the installer code and 1. The COMPATH test, or periodic communication test, sends a test signal to the central station to ensure the security system is properly communicating alarms. This test can be automated daily, weekly, or monthly through scheduling. You can also force a signal using installer quick commands. To force a signal, the system must be ready to arm. Enter the installer code, 5, and then 1. After this command is entered, verify with the central station that they received a test signal. To quickly program the periodic test report schedule, there are 3 commands. Installer code #00 for a daily test, installer code #01 for a weekly test, and installer code #02 for a monthly test. Each command automatically programs schedule number 32 for a test report and inserts a report code in *64. The first test report is sent 12 hours after this command is entered. The clock should be set before this command is entered for reports to start accurately. Lastly, I'll cover the event log. The event log on a VISTA-P series panel is a powerful tool for monitoring and troubleshooting. It records system activity, making it easy to track events like alarms, arming and disarming, and trouble conditions. The VISTA-15P can store up to 50 events. The 20P and 21IP store up to 100. The event log is first in, first out, so once the event log is full and needs to store a new event, the oldest event is removed. To view the event log, enter the installer code or master code #60. This displays the most recent event as follows: event number, type of event, zone or user number, Partition, time and date. Press the star key to display previous events. Press the pound key to move forward to more current events. To exit the event log, press any key other than star or pound. By performing these test operations on every installation, you can ensure your system is reliable, minimize callbacks, and uphold the professional standards your customers expect. Remember, testing isn't just a final step. It helps you ensure the system works the way it should. From go, no go to the event log, these tools give you the confidence that everything's set up correctly. Thanks for watching.